My love scene with Jarvis. In order to be believable, I need to experience deep but ugly love with a married man.
What, with me?
Yes, and I need it before the third act.
But, Debbie, you don't want me. I'm not even that good looking. Hell, I mean, well, I am sometimes, but not to a pretty young girl like you.
Oh, Paul, you're very attractive to me right now.
Debbie, watch out, you're playing with fire.
Oh, it's working already. I feel cheap and tawdry.
Debbie, be careful with my costume.
Oh, I love Velcro.
Oh.
Perfect, this won't take long at all.
Debbie, I really must be learning my lines.
Oh, okay. I'll see you in the soiree scene.
I'm not in that scene.
Neither am I.
Why'd you leave me alone in that empty flat?
Why'd you treat me like riffraff when I was yours?
Why didn't you answer my calls?
I told you 2 years ago I was through with you.
Why? Because I'm a cad. Do you remember those love letters you wrote to me?
What? You can! You said you burned them! Ow!
Sorry. I didn't burn them, I had them shape and shout.
You wouldn't use them against me, would you?
Wouldn't I? And don't forget, innocent little Gwen is just right for the picking.
Why? You'd ruin Gwen? You'd ruin Gwen because Nikki stole my heart and threw away the key!
Janish!
Don't be ridiculous!
You're the fish with your anger.
You bore me to death!
You'll be tangling on my string again.
You're a dreamer, Chad!
I'm out of you, send up.